There are so many sound effects in Korean. I'll give you a quiz, just follow your gut feeling. Here we go. One is crispy, the other is soggy. 바삭바삭하다, 물렁물렁하다. Can you guess? 치킨이 바삭바삭하다. Fried chicken is crispy. 야채가 물렁물렁하다. The vegetable is soggy. Which texture do you like? 바삭바삭 or 물렁물렁?